Good morning, students. I think everybody enjoy the Diwali festival with safe and hygiene and precaution. Now let's start our next session for the second semester and lesson number 7, general science, lesson number motion, force and work. Now here the pictures you have given in your textbook page number 46. Different pictures you have given. The first on observing all these pictures, the first question you have to recall from your 6th standard, what is meant by motion? Motion is the displacement an object from one place to another is a specific time is called the motion of that object. Now, then what is the distance and the displacement? When you look at in the picture, you have seen that the shortest distance, the length of the route actually transversed by a moving rod irrespective of the direction is called distance. That is the shortest distance is called as displacement, and the length of the route actually transferred, that is the person who go from A then B to C. This is the distance, and the person goes from A to D. It is the shortest is the displacement. Okay. Now, displacement, when we are doing the talking about the displacement, then both distance and direction are taken into account. Therefore, it is a vector quantity, and in distance there is no direction is considered, so it is a scalar quantity. In this chapter, we have learned two main things: a vector and scalar quantity, and also distance and displacement. Now, again, the velocity. Velocity is the distance transferred by a body in a specific direction. It is called as a velocity. Here formula velocity also given displacement upon period of time required for the displacement. मतलब कितना जाने के लिए हमें time लग रहा है. That one is our velocity. Now move on to our next page. Here many examples are given on this page 46. You have given example. When we say that the speed of car is 40 km per hour, there is no need to specify the direction. But to predict whether a storm will reach a particular place or not, a mention of its direction is essential. This is very important. And on the next page, you have given the some homework, that is write the formula of speed, velocity, distance, displacement, and time period. The unit of speed or velocity is written as meter per second, that is in short meter per second. Let us now use the above formula to find out Ranjit's velocity and speed when he goes to school as shown in the figure 7.2. And figure 7.2. The actual distance transfers by Ranjit from home to school. Home to school AB. He is starting from the point A, reaches to point B, and then C, and then D. That is the Ranjit start from A, that is the distance AB, then distance BC, then distance CD. Now distance AB is 500 meter, BC is 700 meter, and CD is 300 meter. When we take the total sum of it, it is the 1500 meter. It is the distance. Now total time from home to school is 8 minutes, then 11 minutes from BC, then from CD it is a 6 minutes, that is total is 25 minutes. Now consider about the Ranjit displacement from home to school. From A to D directly, the dotted line show the displacement. Now AD is 1000 meters. Thus Ranjit's velocity when going from home to school is, what is the velocity definition? Displacement upon time taken. Displacement 1000, total time is 25. When we take the ratio of it, we got the answer 0.66 meter per second. Unit is most important when we are solving these numericals of our science. Ranji's speed while going to school. Speed. Speed is equal to distance transfers upon time, total time taken. Distance we have calculated 1500 meter, total time 25 minutes. When we take a ratio, the answer is 1 meter per second. Now Ranjit did not take the straight route of minimum distance while going to school. Therefore, the magnitude of his velocity and speed came out to be different. Had Ranjit actually gone by the straight route, AD, then the magnitude of its velocity and speed would have been the same. Now, what is the average velocity and instant velocity? Let's try to understand with the help of example given on page number 47. The velocity of an object, look at in the diagram 7.2. The velocity of an object can change even while it is moving along a straight line. Suppose that a truck is covering a distance from 40 km from A to D in a straight line. That is, its displacement will be 40 km because it is moving from straight line A to D. If it require altogether 1 hour for this, then its average velocity is 40 km per hour, because average velocity means it's a displacement upon time. However, if the truck traverses the 10 km distance AB in 10 minutes, BC in 20 minutes, CD is 30 minutes, then total how many?